How would you feel to go on a vacation on a beautiful beachside, sipping the tastiest coconut water, and in your mind having no worries of spending how much money you want? What if you are able to earn $500 per day on autopilot without even worrying about 6 months of business planning? You don't even require any skills, no hassle, nothing. All you need is to put some amount of work, that is around 20 to 30 minutes, to achieve the strategy. Hello everyone, I'm Elton, and in this video I'll be teaching you the exact strategy to achieve this goal. Okay, remember this thing, it all depends on your creativity and efforts that you put in to achieve this goal. So make sure you watch this video till the end and don't skip any part, because every part is very crucial and I will be straightforward with you without skipping any step for you, okay, so that you can learn in depth about the strategy. So before that, I want you to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon, because I want you to be ahead of the competition. I want you to be first notified when I upload Make Money Online videos just like this, okay, so that you can earn thousands of dollars before anyone else does. So with further ado, let's go into the method that I'm going to teach you. Before we get into the step, let me remind you that you need to follow each and every step. Don't skip any second of this video, because I don't want you to miss on how to implement this strategy right away. Now for the first step, we'll be going on this website called as digistore24.com. Now for most of y'all who don't know what is digistore24.com, it is an affiliate network similar to ClickBank. This platform contains thousands of affiliate products which you can promote and earn up to 20%, 50%, 75%, and some also give up to 90% commissions. And why we are not using ClickBank in this video is because ClickBank is not available in most of the countries. It is only available in top tier countries. So we need this strategy to be available in worldwide. So digistore24.com is available worldwide, mostly in third tier countries like India, Nigeria, Philippines, etc. etc. So this is the best platform to start with. Now right here you can see what's written over here is more sales, less work, and that's exactly because this is free to sign up and it's a very simple platform, not complicated at all. So what you need to do is go on and click on the Start Now button over here. So it will land you to a page to register for free. Once you land over, you can see there are multiple fields that you need to fill up. Complete all these registration formalities, and before that make sure that you click on the affiliate tab over here. Don't click on vendor or vendor and affiliate, because you don't need to become a vendor. You only need to promote the products from the platform. You are not going to upload any product on this platform. So make sure you click on this button known as affiliate. Once you're done, click on the register for free now button over here. Now I have already registered on this website, so I will just log into my dashboard. Now, once you come on this dashboard, you need to go to the marketplace tab up above here. Once you click on it, you will see the third option, all offers on the affiliate marketplace. You click on that and then you are good to go. You will see there are multiple offers right in front of you. You will see there are up to 20 to 30 niches that you can select, and you can find hundreds of offers in any niche you want. Now for this video, the niche we are going to select is I'm going to tell you later. But I want you to go through all these niches, okay, which is best suitable for you that you would like to promote. But there is a catch that I'm going to tell you. There is a best thing that I'm going to tell you about these affiliate products right over here that you can see are giving 75% commission, 50% commission, again 50% commission. I'm going to tell you an offer that is going to sell like pancakes. So don't worry and stick with me. Now the next platform is very crucial, because it is a resource where you're going to upload your link, a page which you can recommend to people to buy the affiliate product from you. And this is very crucial, so don't miss. Now before we go into the next step, I want you to like this video and also subscribe the channel. The next platform you're going to go into is linktree.com. Linktree is nothing but a simple landing page builder. Like literally you don't need to customize anything. They just create a landing page just like similar to this. You can upload multiple links over here. This, like for example, this is the first link you can upload, the second link, third link, fourth link, fifth link, and so on. At the end you will get a link from Linktree which will show these landing pages, which will contain multiple affiliate offers, or you can redirect your audience to a blog or video or anything else. But for this video, we'll be redirecting the audience to our affiliate offer. Now to enter into this platform, I want you to click on this tab over here, get started for free. Once you click on this tab, you will get a sign up option. Now Linktree has removed the Instagram feature because Instagram has changed their rules and algorithms. You want to sign up with your email and password. Now once you've done that, you will come to this page. Now you can type any name you want over here. Now for example, I will just type fitness freak. I'll just type fitness freak, and then you can choose any categories you want. But I'll just leave it blank for now. You can choose anytime, anything you want. You click on I'm not a robot, and then you click on save details. Now once you've done that, you will see there will be two plans in front of you. That is one free and pro. We don't need the pro feature right now because literally the free plan is enough for us. So I will just go with the free plan. If in case in future y'all need the pro plan, y'all can go with it. But right now for this example, I don't need a free plan. So I will just continue with free. Now once you sign up for free, you can see the screen is divided into two parts. The first part shows to add a new link, and the second part shows the preview of the Linktree. Whenever you will add a link over here, it will show exactly how it is going to appear to your audience. Once you have reached to this stage, the next step is to go back to digistore24.com, and now I will tell you which affiliate products that you should select so that you can get maximum commissions and you can earn $500 per day or even thousands of dollars. As you can see, there are multiple niches over here. But for this video, I'll be going with the fitness and health niche because this niche is highly sellable and it is very high in demand. And after I select fitness and health, you can see there are up to 38 results over here. Now the catch is that I'm going to select an affiliate offer that is best suited for the strategy. Okay, and that product is this one, the Essential Keto Cookbook. Now why is this best? Is because you can see over here it is free plus shipping. Now for most of you all don't know, free plus shipping is a model, is a type of sales model. That means you send the product or you sell the product for free in the front end and then you only charge the shipping cost. For example, this keto book is free of charge. People can buy this keto book for free, but the only catch is that they have to pay the shipping charges, that is up to $9 or $10. That $9 or $10 covers the charges of the book, plus it gets you the profit. And this is how free plus shipping model works. And this is one of the best models because people love to buy products for free. So when you tell them you can get this keto cookbook for absolutely free, they would love to buy this product. And once they go to buy this product, they only have to pay shipping and they won't bother. Most of them won't bother to just pay for shipping because they are getting the product for absolutely free. So what you need to do over here is you need to click on the promote now button. But before we do that, you can see over here how much commissions that you will earn per sale. You can see this is up to $5, that is $4.79 per commission that you make. Here you can see the average price of the book, that is $8.38. That means the shipping cost is $8.38. Does it make sense? Okay, now the commission is written 0, but don't worry about this. Now again over here it is written $4.79. Make sure you confirm this with this affiliate commission over here. Now next what you need to do is click on the promote now button over here. Once you click on this promote now, you will be given a unique affiliate link which is allocated only to you. Okay, no one can use this. If anyone uses this, you will get a commission from their link. Okay, so make sure you use this link and copy this link right away. Now once you copy this link, I want you to go back to linktree.com where you had left it behind. Okay, now you need to click on the add new link over here. Now once you click on the add new link, you will see a field over here to add your URL. Okay, so click on it and then just paste your URL just now what you copied. Now to write the title, I'll just go back to this platform and just copy the title that they had given over here, and I'll make sure that I write over here completely free. Now as you can see, this link has been appeared onto this preview tab. Now that you have done adding the link, now you can see on this preview tab that how your landing page is going to look. Okay, you can see your first link is over here. You can see the title is just appeared over here. So the next thing you want to do is just go back to digistore24.com and grab few more links. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just grab one of this link. Okay, now right now I'll copy this link from here and again go to linktree.com, and what I'll do is click on the add new link again, and then I'll just paste my URL over here, and again what I'll do is go back, copy the title and paste it above the link. Now as you can see, the second link has also appeared over in the preview tab. Now what I want you all to do is grab at least 5 to 7 links and keep adding them over here, because I want you to have multiple affiliate offers on one page. But just make sure that all your affiliate offers is relatable to the first affiliate offer or the main affiliate offer that you are going to promote, that is the free plus shipping one. So that's why I have selected the similar offer. For example, promoting a keto book, so my next affiliate offer will be related to a keto product only. So make sure you get that and you implement the same way I told you. Now if you want to see an exact preview how your landing page would look, what I'll do is I'll just open this link in the new tab, and here you can see how your landing page is going to appear in front of your audience. Like, isn't it great? Just in less than 5 minutes, I have created my own landing page which consists multiple links. And if I click on this link, you can see over here, it will open to my affiliate offer. This is the affiliate offer for free plus shipping that we are going to promote. Okay, this is the main offer that we are going to promote. And remember that you only need to recommend the links to the right audience. That's it. You don't need to make a sale. You don't need to do high level marketing or anything. The rest, all hassle and work, is done by the product team itself. They will do the follow-up, they will do the email swipes, they will do the hard marketing for you. Okay, they will ship the product for you. You don't need to even see the product by yourself. You only need to do is recommend the link to the right audience on the right platform. So what you need to do is go to a website called influencercart.com. As you can see over here, influencer-cart.com. Go to this website. Now for most of you all don't know what this website is basically this website curates the top influencers, the best influencers, okay, of Instagram. These influencers have given all the information about what audience they have, how many followers they have, from which countries, and how much they charge per day. Okay, and this is the best platform to find the best influencer according to your niche. So what you need to do is go and click on this sign up option over here. It will ask for your email address and password, and once you've done that, you will be able to go to this dashboard over here. You will be able to go to this dashboard. Make sure that you verify your link that they will be sending to your Gmail account. Now for this video, we have selected the fitness and health niche on digistore24.com. So similarly on Influencer Cart, we will select the fitness and sports and food and nutrition, because these are mostly relatable to the niche we had selected before. Once you select these both niche, you want to click on this apply filter over here. Now let us go to these influencers and let's see how much do they charge, and do you really need to spend a lot of money on this strategy? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. You can literally see over here, this influencer having 1.4 million followers is only charging $60 per day. 1.4 million followers. Isn't that insane? Now this influencer here, you can see, has over 200,000 followers, charges only $8. That means you don't need to even spend up to $10 for a shout out. Now what I need you to do is firstly try out with lesser budget influencers. For example, $5, $10, $20, etc. Okay, try with those people. Once you start earning commissions, once you start getting sales, reinvest those dollars into the top influencers that you find on this influencer card. Okay, for example, this 1.4 million, 600k, etc, etc. And you can have a stable business for much more months, until and unless you keep on implementing the strategy again and again. Now before I wind up this video, make sure when you contact these influencers, you tell them for a story swipe up feature. Okay, story swipe up feature, because most of the people watch stories rather than liking on a feed post. So if you get a story swipe up feature from these influencers, you know that the swipe up feature will directly land them to your Linktree link, and there will be multiple affiliate offers. If they buy the free book from you, you will get $5 per sale. Okay, up to $5. And if you can just get up to 0.01% conversion, okay, only 0.01% conversion, you can still earn up to $1,000 per day. If you have any query, please comment down below and I will make sure that I reply to a comment once I see it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.